Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect a wallet to DEX screener. So first of all, as you can see, I am logged in. Make sure you are logged in. After that, click on gear icon and click here. I am already logged in with Google. You can sign in with Google, Apple as well. After signing in, you can see here connect wallet. Just simply click on it. Here you can see multiple wallets: MetaMask wallet, Connect, Rambo. For the demonstration of this tutorial, we are going to use MetaMask. Using the MetaMask extension, MetaMask Chrome extension has installed, and then click on gear icon and then click on connect wallet again. Here you can see installed MetaMask. Click it here, and then we need to click on connect. Now we need to verify account. To finish connecting, we have to must sign in into your wallet to verify that you are the owner of this account. Click it here. I need to confirm it that I am the owner of this MetaMask wallet. Click on confirm. After that, you can see here my MetaMask wallet is connected with DEX screener. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.